Hello there guys, it's me Azalea Vlogs, and today how do I make my Gacha Studios part 2 without recording at mobizane. Right now I am recording at mobizane, but I cannot do it. But first you are gonna get your character. This only works about Gacha Studio, and just gonna put the thing you want there. Oops. You're just gonna put it over there, and then you're gonna capture it. So it is captured. So just type blah 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 blah, whatever kind of thing I'm just sick of. Okay, pictured it. There we go. Once you are done that, you are gonna go to. Also, I record with my cell phone and mobizane. And then you're gonna download Video Maker to edit your videos. Sorry for the background noises. Then you're gonna go to your screenshots. Just put this kind of little things because I don't want to. Okay, I put that. Then just go like that thing. So that you could edit it. Could edit this video. And this is how I edit my video. Actually, the Azalea Vlogs thing need to be like that. Okay, click that thing and click that. Wait. Oh. Okay. Click this kind of thing. I need to click that. Then you're gonna share it to YouTube. Need to be on fast mode, so I don't think that if you can do a not fast mode stuff. I'm gonna sure this will upload. So I'm gonna put a title like blah 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 blah. At the end this video, you will not see this video upload because I will download it. This is just an example. Just blah blah. Okay. This is the pic. Let's just say Gacha Studio pic. Then you wanna keep this, but I don't know if you will keep it or not. But to me, I will not keep it. It is on yours. Or just say blah blah blah. Okay, there you go. Then you are gonna do this, but I do not recommend to private it. I don't want to private it because. Okay, so this is it. If you want to add song, then add it. Okay, you could add so many songs in here. So I do not add songs, but you can edit here. Let's just do that. Then you're gonna post it. Once you've done that, you are gonna wait. And that's the whole video, guys. Thank you for joining this. Thank you for watching this, and please hope you enjoy it. And thank you for 84 subscribers, because I will be happy because, well, I might say that no one is voting the flipper clip or the whiteboard. It's just okay. I just choose the whiteboard thing. So I have problem with banners because I could not even put the little banners in here because it is so tiny, and I need it to be like this. So I upload a new banner. So sorry. Okay, that's all for now, guys. Bye.